So I'll be using coconut oil. And coconut oil is easily burned, but it has
What you feeling? What a rushy flight and nearly run late.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog, Rashi and Wally Vlogs, right? So today is Sunday and I'll be preparing octopus and shrimp, and I'll be trying lo mein because you know I love Chinese, right? So I want you to just see what I'm going on with. Today's Sunday, I'm going to try something different, you know. So back in Jamaica, Jermaine is from well, his mom's side is from Little Bay. They're seafood persons, right? So in his childhood, he's always boasting to me that he has great memories of eating octopus. I've never had it, but I saw it in the supermarket and I said I'll give it a try, right? So what better day to do it than on a Sunday, right? We're going to start the week right. And it's the first time I'm having it. It will be the first time JD is having it. So let's see how it turns out, right? So just stay tuned and just see how the video turn out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about our vlogs, right? Stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so this is the octopus. I removed it from the wrapper. So this is it. Looks scary, right? Wow. I wonder if I should still eat this, but nah, turn back. Watch here. This is the head, so I'm going to wash it. I'm going to use the apple cider vinegar and wash it with salt and just, you know, clean it up a bit in terms of just make it soak a bit in the salt. Okay guys, as you can see, I have the salt to wash it, the apple cider vinegar, that's what I'm going to use to wash it. I also have my shrimp picked and ready, and I have my seasoning. I have sweet peppers. I'm going to use that in the lo mein. And I have onions, red pepper, green pepper, just in case it's not very hot. I have the red onions mixed with the regular ones, and also I have scallion and red pepper here. And this is the spaghetti that I'll be using to do my lo mein, right? So just let's get into it, right? So guys, I've added a bit of paprika. I'm gonna put a small tip of organic crushed ginger, and of course cayenne pepper. You know, I can't leave it out. One of my favorites. I don't want to really I want to keep the original taste of the octopus, so I'm just gonna add just the salt. I'm not gonna use any all-purpose in it, right? We do freestyle. So I'll be using coconut oil. And coconut oil is easily burned, but it has a lot of flavor that is really nice, and it enhances your cooking, right? A small amount. And you have to be careful not to burn it also. So I'm going to add the octopus. Ooh, this looks like squids. Ooh. I'm really excited. This is the first time I'll be having this. Ooh. like small squids. So I'll be cooking this up. Okay guys, so this is my almost ready octopus. I'm going to add honey garlic sauce in it just to give it a little sweet garlicky flavor. Freestyling. So creamy and thick. So it have a consistency like as if you had okra in it. Slimy. So you seen it? Very gummy. Added honey garlic sauce to it. And it's about ready now. I'm just gonna give it around 10 minutes in the oven so it have a more jerkish gummy taste. Here I have my finished lo mein. This is my speed to my Chinese. My lo mein is here. It's tasting really good, guys. I've added sweet pepper in it. It's really good. So I'm cooking up the seasoning. This is a combination of garlic, onion, scallion and red pepper. So when it's a bit softer than this, I'm going to add the shrimp in it. Okay, so I'm going to add the shrimp. Look at how it is in the pot. I'm going to add the shrimp. So remember, it's seasoned now with onion powder and just salt and some stalks at a time. Right? Gravy juicy, smelling good. Alright, so I'm gonna add a bit of the honey garlic sauce and also some of my sweet and sour sauce to the shrimp. Sweet and sour, I'm gonna glaze it. The garlic is outstanding in the sauce. Smelling really good. Like a saute. Okay, so we're ready to add broccoli and sweet peppers. So you realize the gravy is thick. Oh man, smelling good also. So I'm gonna add that to the sauce. Not too much because I still want the most of it to be shrimp. So you add the broccoli when it's soon to be done, right? Also, what brings up the flavor is the oregano seasoning, right? You just sprinkle a bit on it just to garnish the shrimp and to add flavor. Let this simmer a bit. This sauce is very good. It's a blend of soy sauce and garlic. It's good with the spices in it. So guys, this is the finished product. of my octopus and my shrimp with broccoli and lo mein. I've also complemented it with lasagna at the side. This is ready to go lasagna, 3-meat flavor. I bought it in Shoppers Drug Mart, and this is how the box is. It's ready in a couple of minutes. It's frozen food, so it takes no time to get ready. You can do it in the oven or in the microwave, whichever of your choice. Right, so this is what I'm having today, Sunday. It's not a conventional Sunday dinner, but this is what we are having here. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed. I hope it was informative, and I have tasted the octopus and it's really good. I can't wait to have my dinner. You know, it's not the regular Sunday dinner in Jamaica, but it was a quick fix and it was good. I think you can try it, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also to tell a friend to join our family here. I hope you really enjoyed this vlog. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye.